Cloud models explained. Cloud models describe how cloud resources are deployed and who controls them. The three main cloud models are private, public, and hybrid. Private cloud is used by a single organization. It offers greater control over security, data, and resources, making it ideal for companies with strict requirements. However, it's more expensive because the organization is responsible for buying, maintaining, and updating the hardware. A private cloud can be hosted on-site, off-site, or even managed by a third party, but it's still dedicated to one company. A public cloud is owned and managed by a third-party provider, like Microsoft Azure. Anyone can use it by paying for the resources they need. Public clouds are cost-effective, highly scalable, and allow organizations to pay only for what they use. The downside is that organizations have less control over infrastructure and security compared to a private cloud. A hybrid cloud combines both private and public clouds. This setup offers the most flexibility. Companies can keep sensitive data in a private cloud while using the public cloud for scalability or temporary demand. Hybrid cloud also helps meet security, compliance, or legal requirements by allowing workloads to run where they make the most sense. Multi-cloud. In a multi-cloud setup, an organization uses multiple public cloud providers at the same time. This could be to take advantage of specific features, avoid vendor lock-in, or support migration between providers. Managing security and resources across multiple clouds becomes more complex, but it offers greater choice and resilience. Azure Arc. Azure Arc helps manage resources across different environments, whether they're in Azure, on-premises, hybrid, or even in other cloud providers. It provides a unified way to manage servers, services, and policies from one place. Azure VMware Solution. For organizations already using VMware, Azure VMware Solution allows them to run VMware workloads directly in Azure. This makes it easier to migrate to the cloud while keeping familiar tools, with added scalability and integration. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel, Learn Azure. Hit like and subscribe to learn more.